Imagine waking up at 35, realizing you've wasted an entire decade making the wrong financial decisions. And now, you're stuck. No savings, drowning in debt, and feeling like you've missed your shot at wealth. Sounds terrifying, right? Well, it happens to millions of people every single day. But here's the good news. You still have time to avoid these mistakes, if you take action now. Most people in their 20s think, I've got time. I'll save when I earn more. Spoiler alert, that later never comes. Think about it. Every dollar you don't invest today is thousands of dollars lost in the future. Why? Because of compounding interest, aka the closest thing to free money you'll ever get. Let's break it down. If you invest just $500 a month, starting at 25, by the time you're 50, you could have over $1.2 million. But if you wait until 35 to start, you'll have half of that. Half. Feel that punch in the gut? Good. That's urgency. But don't panic. If you're watching this, it means you still have time. You just have to act fast. Now, speaking of things that disappear fast, ever noticed how when people start making more money, they immediately start spending more? Congrats. You just gave yourself a pay raise to stay broke. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. Rich people? They invest first and upgrade their lifestyle later. Broke people? They upgrade first and never have money left to invest. So next time you feel like rewarding yourself with a luxury purchase, ask, would future me thank me for this or resent me? All right, now let's talk about the biggest mistake of them all. If you rely only on a 9 to 5, you're one paycheck away from financial disaster. Rich people don't work for money. They make money work for them. They build income streams, stocks, real estate, businesses that pay them even when they sleep. Picture this. Two people, same job, same salary. One spends every dollar they earn. The other invests in assets that pay them monthly. Fast forward 10 years. Who do you think is financially free? The goal? Make your passive income exceed your expenses. That's when work becomes optional. But here's where most people screw up. They wait too long to start. And before they know it, they're stuck working for money their entire life. Scary, right? But don't worry, because now you know better. So how do you avoid these traps and set yourself up for wealth? Here's your action plan. Start investing now, even if it's just $50 a month. Just start. Live below your means. Wealthy people look broke. Broke people look rich. Build passive income. Own assets that pay you even when you sleep. Do this, and by 30, you'll be miles ahead of everyone still waiting for the right time. But if you really want to supercharge your wealth, you need to understand the power of compounding. Because once you get that, money becomes effortless. And lucky for you, I've got a video that breaks it all down. Click here to watch it now, and let's start building your financial future today. See you on the other side. Would you like me to tweak anything or add more humor?